Hello, Mr. Geiselhardt here, and now we're going to take a look at question number 5. So I'm going to go ahead and start by taking the limit. The limit as x approaches -3. I do -3 because that's the spot where I want to write the equation of the tangent line. So then I have to do f of x. So that's x squared minus 9x plus 18 minus, in parentheses, I have to put -3 in place of x now. So -3 squared minus 9 times the -3 plus 18, all of that over x plus 3. So let's simplify the top a little bit. So I have the limit as x approaches -3 of x squared minus 9x plus 18 minus, and when you simplify the c's, when you simplify that part in the parentheses, you're going to end up with 54 over x plus 3. So let's continue to simplify a little bit. The limit as x approaches -3 of x squared minus 9x, and that will be minus 36, all of that over x plus 3. So again, I can't cancel. If I try and put -3 in, that's going to equal 0, so I have to try and factor the top. So the limit as x approaches -3 is x plus 3 here. Now again, I know one of the factors has to be x plus 3. So if I take -36 and divide it by 3, that should give me my other factor. So that will be x minus 12. So now my x plus 3's cancel out, so I have the limit as x approaches -3 of x minus 12, so that's equal to -3 minus 12, so that's a -15. So this is -15 here. Now again, I have my y value from over here, that's going to be 54. I have my x value from up here, that's -3, and I have my slope from right here, that's -15. So we have y minus 54 equals -15 times x minus a -3, which would be plus 3. And that's going to be my answer for that one.